but they always struggle to keep the food fresh for long. This burger is delicious. One day, Joey's mom came to teach him how to store food in the fridge. Delicious fruits, fresh watermelon, and strawberries. Imagine a world where every meal is a burst of flavor, where each bite tantalizes the taste buds and leaves you craving for more. This is the magic of food. Not only does it satisfy our hunger, but it also fills us with energy and vitality, especially for children. For kids, food isn't just sustenance, it's an adventure. From the first crunch of an apple to the gooey delight of a chocolate chip cookie, every bite brings joy and excitement. But beyond the pleasure of taste, food plays a crucial role in fueling their growing bodies and active minds. In this journey through the world of food, we'll explore how delicious meals provide children with the energy they need to thrive. From the playground to the classroom, from sports fields to creative endeavors, grilled chicken. The right food fuels their adventures and empowers them to reach new heights. Hot dog sandwich. So let's embark on this flavorful journey and discover the power of food in nourishing the bodies and spirits of our little ones. This is our refrigerator with delicious food. Pizza. But if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Let's hear the story of Joseph. Fried potato. Once upon a time, there was this kid named Joey living with his family in a small house in a remote village. Their family relied on their backyard garden to provide fresh food, but they always struggled to keep the food fresh for long. This burger is delicious. One day, Joey's mom came to teach him how to store food in the fridge. She started by showing him how to keep fruits and veggies in sealed bags to keep them fresh and crisp. Then she told him about the importance of placing meats and fish in designated spots in the fridge to avoid bacterial contamin. This is ketchup, pickled cucumbers, and mustard. As Joey was learning, his mom also explained how food works to give the body strength and energy. She told him about the importance of having a balanced meal with fruits, veggies, proteins, and carbs. She explained how food provides the body with the nutrients it needs to grow, develop, and stay healthy. Delicious fruits, fresh watermelon, and strawberries. Yummy delicious. There they put milk and soup. Over time, Joey became proficient in storing food in the fridge and understanding the importance of eating nutritious meals. He started feeling the difference in his energy and vitality when he ate healthy, balanced meals. It looks like frog soup. There we put the sweets section. Yummy delicious. First he put strawberry and cherry custard. As for this mango juice, This ice cream has a lot of flavors. The green one tastes like pistachio. Orange tastes like tangerine. A little banana sauce. And strawberries. It's a great refrigerator. Wow! It's yellow in color. Thanks to his mom's guidance, Joey was able to maintain his health and strength by eating right and storing food properly in the fridge. Don't forget, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to eat well. But they always struggle to keep the food fresh for long. This burger is delicious. One day, Joey's mom came to teach him how to store food in the fridge. Delicious fruits, fresh watermelon, and strawberries.